going again here this new video, new vlog. When you see the entire class, so you don't know I'm doing a video already. Right? Last Saturday or Sunday I went fishing. Not never to Gwaan because I got late, you know. So the Sunday really hard. But we catch few fish same way. Yeah man, managed to catch 2 fish same way. So I wanted to roast it, right? I said no, something different. I try the barbecue fish because my barbecue sauce here. So I do barbecue fish and roast plantain for breakfast today. Yeah man, so just watch what I go on. Look up me gonna do it. So right now I'm gonna get the coal stove light up, yeah, and things. So remember, like the video, leave a comment and also share. And make sure say when you share it, when tell your family and your friends say to subscribe. And make sure say you subscribe also. Nice beautiful morning guys. Nice guy. Jamaica is paradise man. Alright guys, so see fish them here. Nice little foreign size. You don't know. See? Nice little foreign size. Yeah. And this are the herb season. Scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, pepper and all that. Blend out already. So you're planting here. You have the Maggi all purpose, ketchup, the pimento, not this or powder because it mash out already or grind out already, and the barbecue sauce and all that. And see the grill here, so you either use this one or this one. I'm not sure yet. As soon as it's brand new, never used before. So it's a grilling basket. So as soon as you see it, chicken breast and thing, never use. So I'm not sure I use this though, but what to tell? Yeah, so I'm not sure about that. So yeah, so everything I'm gonna use today guys. No salt because the Maggi season having salt tonight, the ketchup having salt tonight, and the barbecue sauce having a bit of salt tonight. So I don't think I have to put no salt tonight. Yeah. And see the coal stove here. Little coal in 5 minutes today, so I'm gonna get this light up now. So get this stove, this coal stove light up, you know. Don't know, so we don't want too much coal in it, you know. Alright, my people, so I did Maggi season. Pimento or allspice. Little ketchup. Barbecue sauce. Get this mix out now. Make sure this get nice amount of seasoning. You can season go everywhere, every crevice and corner. Even people want that. Alright, eat that guys. So Make that go and marinate a little bit. And see, you have some remaining. So I don't know. I just put it on the fish when the fish are roast. Alright guys, so put on in 2 plantain here. Pan the fire, make it go and do it thing, you know. Then put on the fish. After when them is a soak, we just throw on the fish. Give them a turn, you know. Them first stir, but then soak good, but the cold now move right at all, peeps. Look on it. Nah, move right at all. Alright guys, so get all the fish from the fire now. So take them off a little bit. Get on this and put on the fish them. So guys, go to D Life and give the strength, give the support, you know, our next upcoming YouTuber. I put it in the work, so just go over there and give the strength. I'll link and in the description and put in the comment section and things. So you can go over there and give the strength. Put it in the work. So let's go over there, man, and do the right thing. Do it on the side like this. Alright. So yeah, so that's how I go on. It's basically a salt now, you know, so put on the fish them. So the next 20 minutes or so. Yeah man, I eat that. Yeah man guys, this smells so good already. All the fire come too hot, my eyes up this. Cause I don't want to burn up, you know. But yeah, I'm showing the fish them and I'm showing them catch them. I'm catch them, so I run on the clip now, I'm catch them and thing. So when I come back, food done and things. So yeah, soon come back guys. So watch when I catch them.
Why? The boy can pull it out. But yep.
Yeah, tell it to break down.
It was stuck again. My mouth was stuck in the bottle again. How? How am I moving? Ah! 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 Ah!
Keep attention on the line. Remember to keep it. Yeah, keep picking if you feel it. Can you pick?
Yes.
Alright. Get well now. And don't keep follow your bait. You must check it out on that man, Khaleesi. Alright, go and peep, so see what going there. nothing. Kaya peeps, lakada ka na sa wala kom. Kaya, lakada di mana falling kom. When I call one, everybody run come. Everybody run come when I call one. Guys, so I go on here, do a mash up. Let me see, because I'm gonna stick to the grill and then I burn, I ice it, the grill a bit, right? You know, some of that chop some stick and run across your grill and put them pan. I said no, I'm a grill here. I see, wow, I see, them must stick to the grill and I mash up. But me throwing some sauce on it, I don't see what I go on. Yeah man, so I'm going to get a turn again and throw on some sauce again. And then now, it's also good because the plantain basically done. Give them a next turn now guys. But then when you put some fire first on the grill and then put it on the fire paper. So next time we see what I go on still. So I'm going to stick to the grill and mash up. Then burn up the people. Then we come out now we wanted it to. Then I stop stick on the grill and I mash up. Okay, it's a mash up. Sun hot. Don't you can burn up no peeps. Don't burn up. Alright. So I go on there. I forgot to scrape off the burn bad. Alright peeps, so you see time I know. As when you see what I go on already, you should come out come they want it. You know? So go still. We just go on and try again. Front on, so that's another you back work on hard. Yeah. You know, come out come want it and thing. So next time you know exactly what to do. Either use the file paper or you can film grill. You can stick to that grill. Yeah. I know say fish soft, easy to mash up. So I like Gwaan. Some of these are Gwaan now. But first, sweet and nice, you know. Very sweet, nice. So, fish time I know. Yep. And this barbecue sauce. So you can burn tripod, lower the flavor. Lower the which I know fish to the plantain. Very nice. Come up I want to do, that must be that. Wow. Hey guys, so I'll catch you next video. You know. I'm say go over to D Live, the link to that channel, happen in the comments and also listen to it. Just go over them and support our channel. And next upcoming review so go over there and support the two channel, my channel and Fear channel. Just like, comment and share and subscribe to the two channel. So look more. Nice. Almost all those, so look more.